Let us solve for x and y given s plus y is equal to 8. Sy is equal to 25. Here, s plus y is equal to 8. Let us call this equation 1. Sy is equal to 25. Let us call this equation 2. From equation 1, s plus y is equal to 8. Let us make y the subject of the formula. Y is equal to 8 minus s. Let us call this equation 3. Then from equation 2, xy is equal to 25. Let us substitute for y, which is 8 minus x. S bracket 8 minus s is equal to 25. Let us open the bracket with this s. S multiplied by 8, that is 8x minus s multiplied by x, that is s square, is equal to 25. This can be written as minus s square plus 8x. If you bring this 25 to this side, it becomes minus 25 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by -1. This divided by -1, this divided by -1, this divided by -1, and this 0 divided by -1. S square minus 8x plus 25 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using quadratic general formula. S is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then from this equation, the coefficient of s square here is the value of a, which is equal to 1. B is equal to the coefficient of x here, which is minus 8. C is the constant here, which is 25. S is equal to minus bracket minus 8 plus or minus square root of minus 8 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 25 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to minus times minus 8, that is 8 plus or minus square root of minus 8 squared, that is 64, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 25, that is 100, divided by 2 multiplied by 1, 2. S is equal to 8 plus or minus square root of 64 minus 100, that is minus 36, divided by 2. S is equal to 8 plus or minus square root of minus 36 can be written as square root of 36 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 2. S is equal to 8 plus or minus square root of 36 is 6. Square root of minus 1 is I divided by 2. This can be written as 8 divided by 2 plus or minus 6i divided by 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 4, 2 here 1, 2 here 3. S is equal to 4 plus or minus 3i. Therefore, S1 is equal to 4 plus 3i. Then S2 is equal to 4 minus 3i. These are the values of x. We've gotten the values of x. Let us solve for y. To solve for y, from equation 3, y is equal to 8 minus x. Y1 is equal to 8 minus S1 is 4 plus 3i, and Y2 is equal to 8 minus S2 is 4 minus 3i. Y1 is equal to 8 minus, if you open the bracket with this negative, we have 4 minus 3i. Y1 is equal to 8 minus 4. This is 4 minus 3i. This is the value of Y1. Also, Y2 is equal to 8 minus 4 plus 3i. Y2 is equal to 8 minus 4. This is 4 plus 3i. This is the value of Y2. Therefore, our final answer are S1, Y1 is equal to 4 plus 3i, 4 minus 3i. S2, Y2 is equal to 4 minus 3i, 4 plus 3i. These are the values of s and y. You can see that the value of s1 here is equal to the value of y2 here, and the value of y1 here is equal to the value of s2 here. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let us check. To check, we have the given equation s plus y is equal to 8. Sy is equal to 25. Let us consider this. S plus y, this is 4 plus 3i plus 4 minus 3i must be equal to 8. This cancel this. 4 plus 4, this must be equal to 8. And of course, 4 plus 4, this is 8, is equal to 8, which is true. Let us consider this. Sy, this is 4 plus 3i multiplied by 4 minus 3i is equal to 25. 4 times 4, that is 16. Then 4 multiplied by minus 3i, that is minus 12i. 3i multiplied by 4, that is plus 12i. Then plus 3i multiplied by minus 3i, that is minus 9 multiplied by I square must be equal to 25. This cancel this. 16 minus 9 multiplied by I square must be equal to 25. I square is equal to minus 1. 16 minus 9 multiplied by minus 1 must be equal to 25. Then minus 9 times minus 1, that is plus 9. We have 16 plus 9 must be equal to 25. 16 plus 9, this is 25, is equal to 25, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, please share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please, I want you to comment so that it will help me to produce more videos. Thank you. Bye.